I am back and I have a good one for you guys today. One of my most used purses is the Favorite. That's what it's called, the Favorite. And it is literally one of my favorite purses. I use it all the time. I take it to the gym because it is a perfect size to just stick a wallet, credit card, phone, whatever. It's the perfect size. But the canvas on the monogram style started to crack where the flap folds over. The canvas started to split. So I was on the hunt for something comparable, but just a little bit different. So I went into the Salt Lake City Creek location, and Donald, if you're listening, shout out, because he picked out something that was pretty similar, but just a little bit different, a little bit more elevated than the Favorite. So we are going to unbox it right now. So this is the multi-Pochette accessory bag. And let me tell you why I love it. Let's do a little unboxing here. They're always wrapped so beautifully. I love it. And Donald at that City Creek location, I've had a lot of good people helping me, but he was amazing. So if you are in Salt Lake, get down there and see Donald. Okay, as always, we have the beautiful box. We have the beautiful dust cloth to keep your bags in. And here she is. Okay, so why I love this and why I think it is so comparable to the Favorite is because it is actually almost identical to the same size as the Favorite. I love how thin it is. And what is the best part about all of this is that you get a 2-for-1. Now, of course, you're gonna pay for it, but you get 2 purses for 1. So let's open it up because this is where the straps are. So you have 2 choices. You have a little bit more elevated, a little bit more fancy, a little bit more night out on the town. And then you have the classic just leather strap. So you can either dress it up or dress it down depending on where you're going. And you can either keep it like this and have a double wallet or a double purse, or you can just unclasp one and you'd have 2 separate bags. How cool is that? Okay, so I'm gonna put the strap on this one, the gold one, and we'll just mix it around and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this strap, this chain actually is really what sold me, because the Favorite just came with like the basic monogram, basic leather strap. So it's nice to have that, especially like if I'm going to the gym. Then I don't have to worry so much about a chain dangling around. But this is just the single bag. Elevated, cute. I love the black leather. Very classy. And for reference, I'm just gonna show you my Favorite. So I have it in this and I also have it in the monogram. But this is the size and the style. It comes with the long strap and a little gold chain as well. And so this is the one I am talking about when I refer to the Favorite. So you can see side by side, they are comparable in the width and also in the length. So this is what I was going for, is something like this, but just a little elevated. And I like this gold chain, but this one is even better. So that is, okay, I had people walking in the house, so I have to redo this part. But so what sold me is this chain, because I just love the elevated look to it, and especially with the black. I think it looks so classy. And my main purpose for using these type of bags is I love to travel with them because they lay flat on your side. It is so easy to travel. And then also for the gym, it's perfect to just put my phone, a credit card, and like a chapstick or whatever I need. Okay, so this is the look. If you were just going out and you just wanted something simple, you have this option. If you wanted something more, like you needed a little bit more room, then you connect this one on there and you have a double purse. So it's still pretty flat, it's still pretty easy, but it just gives you a little bit more room. And now we're gonna put this other strap on it and show you what it looks like, where you could let this hang down and then also have this strap going here. I have to point out though, because Donald showed me, that this new strap style is so easy. Before you would have to like string it like a traditional type strap. and kind of like loosen it and then kind of drag it across. But with this new style, it is so easy. It just has a snap and then you pull it and I don't know what I'm doing here. Figuring it out with you guys at the same time. Okay, so both ends have to come undone. And then you just connect it back here. And there you go, okay? Super easy. Once you figure it out, you gotta do it once in front of a camera and then you have it figured out because there's a little bit of pressure. That's part of the unboxing process, is that I'm literally figuring this out as I go along. Okay, so here we go. So we have the gold strap and the 2 purses. So here we go. How cute is that? And then for travel, this is the best part, is just when it hangs across like that. Super cute, super classy. This is what the favorite. It hangs just a tiny bit lower, but I'd say it's pretty close. And then if I take this off, we'll just take this other one off. And the good thing with this, I can't show you because I have my phone right now, but both of them fit a phone. This one's a little bit tighter, but it does fit the phone. So there we go. The price on this one was $3,100. But you get 2 purses and you get the 2 straps. So super cute, super classy. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. But as always, thank you for watching. And I do have a few other items that I'm going to be unboxing right now. So watch those videos as well.